Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cash App account was suddenly closed and you're wondering what happened, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to explain why accounts get closed, the exact steps you can take to fix it, and how to get your account back. Stick around to the end so you don't miss the key tips that could speed up the process. First, let's talk about why Cash App might close an account. The most common reasons include violating their terms of service, like using the app for prohibited transactions or from unsupported regions, not completing your verification or providing inaccurate information, suspicious activity such as multiple chargebacks, disputes, or logins from strange locations, using VPNs or logging in from too many devices, which can trigger security flags. Now, here's how you can try to get your account reopened. Open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Support. Go to something else, then scroll down and choose Chat. Clearly explain that your account has been closed and politely ask if it can be reinstated. Be prepared to verify your identity as us. Have a government-issued ID, your social security number, and proof of address ready. Make sure everything matches the details from your closed account to avoid further delays. After submitting your request, be patient. Cash App's response time can range from a few days to even a couple of weeks. While it's frustrating, staying professional and cooperative in your messages gives you the best chance of getting your account back. And that's it. Understanding why your account was closed and reaching out to support with all the right documents is the fastest way to resolve this issue. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Cash App tips, and check out the links in the description for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.